Memorials, museums, and churches, places that speak to Ukraine's very identity, are all also under threat from Russia's invasion.
Introducing building blocks. To raise awareness, as well as funds for the future generation, we created a limited edition LEGO series of Ukrainian cultural properties. With one twist, you can never finish assembling, for now. Don't panic, just look at the end of the instruction. Scan a QR code, then you can explore the completed version of Mariupol via AR. And more. Cool, right? If you want to complete your own Mariupol, simply sign for a petition to help Ukraine. In a few days, the missing blocks will be delivered to your hands. Your simple gesture can actually help rebuild the real Mariupol and many more. Also, you can help rebuild the future of Ukraine's children. No matter how much Russia destroys Ukraine's relics, it can never destroy Ukraine's heritage. If we build together.